everyone, myself Monisha Chare and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'm here to talk to you about the another topic, that is biggest retail war in India. Yes, you heard me right. That is biggest retail war in India, which I'm going to talk about is Amazon versus Reliance. So all of us know that Mukesh Ambani Reliance Industries is on the way to become the biggest retail industries. It has been developed in different market area over the era. It has given competition to different industries. That is by creating Geo network. It was competitor to Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, and other mobile networking industries. Reliance Group have made its monopoly establishment and it has main focus on retail expansion, and in recent times it has acquired the Future Group with a deal of 24,000 crore, which is wholesale and retail business, that is Big Bazaar, Central, etc. After this deal, Reliance will get access to 1800 stores, but all the retail war scenarios started from this deal only, known as Amazon versus Reliance. Amazon, which had earlier invested in Future Group's coupon and by the share of 49%, which is roughly translated into a 3.5% stake in Future Retail. While doing this, they mentioned the few conditions for Future Group, and in their agreement, out of which one of the condition was that there was list of industrialists mentioned by Amazon, which Future Group have to be abide by not selling the stake to these listed people without Amazon consent. And in this list there was the name mentioned of Mukesh Ambani, and now Future Group had sell their stake to Reliance Group according to Amazon, that their condition was mentioned this their condition was mentioned that he cannot sell this company or their stake to Mukesh Ambani, and this deal is invalid between the Reliance Industries and Future Group. Amazon filed its case in Singapore International Arbitration. Why Singapore International Arbitration? Because in their agreement it was mentioned that if any dispute between Amazon and Future Group take place, it will sue the case in Singapore arbitration, and in this case judgment given by the Singapore arbitration is in favor of Amazon, and the deal between the Reliance and Future Group was put on hold. As this judgment was given in Singapore's arbitration and in India, there is no such express mechanism to enforce the international arbitration order, and mostly party comply by themselves to the order. So Amazon urges to the market regulator that the decision given by the arbitration to be implemented implementation to be implemented. The market regulator in India are SEBI and Competition Commission of India. So approval is needed in order to regulate this deal. So SEBI can only tell this deal is valid or not. Reliance Group and Future Group have completely denied the approve the order of the arbitration, and both the groups stated that the order is not enforceable according to the Indian law, and despite of interim order they are ready to complete the deal. So now Amazon have the option to file the case in High Court under Section 9 of Arbitration and Conciliation Act, which provide interim measures. And recently Future Group have filed caveat in High Court that state no action can be taken and no order can be passed to future group without giving notice to them. So basically, this is a tussle between three companies: Amazon, Reliance, and Future Group. From this, the agreement which Amazon have made, we can see that Amazon already knew that in coming future, Reliance or Mukesh Bhai Ambani industry can be their competitor in retailing market. So this case is result is still pending, and who will win it, time will tell us. And it had made the biggest headline in the retail market. Pendulum is still ticking around these companies, and where it will stop, time will tell us. I hope you have understood this case. And for more such information, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.